Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss division of polynomial by a polynomial. So let's start. Students, first of all, we are going to discuss the step, which step we have to follow to divide a polynomial with polynomial. So first one, arrange the polynomial in descending order. In previous class, we have discussed how to arrange polynomial in descending order. So both the dividend and the divisor both arrange in descending order, and then after to get the first term of the quotient, so we have to observe the dividend first term and dividend first term divided by the divisor first term. How? Let's discuss with the help of one example. I am going to take the question number 3 of our exercise 6.3. Its first part they have given x square plus 5x plus 6, and this we have to divide by x plus 3. Okay students, this question we have to solve. We have to divide this polynomial by the second one. First of all, observe that the given polynomial, that dividend is arranged according to descending order or not. So we have observed it's already arranged according to descending order. So now dividend write in the divide sign, x square plus 5x plus 6, and it's divided by x plus 3. Okay students, now the first step, observe the first term of the dividend and the first term of divisor. Student, write the first term of the dividend that we are going to divide and the first term of the divisor. Students, when we divide this one, we get answer from here x. How? X square and x1, 2 minus 1, 1. So whatever the result you are getting from here, that is our quotient by which number we have to multiply our divisor. So the first number that we have to multiply is x, and x plus 3. X plus 3, when multiply with x, we get x square and plus 3x. Okay students, when we multiply x plus 3 by x, we get x square plus 3x. So we will write here x square plus 3x. Now students, as we know in divide, after writing the term, we are subtracting. So to subtract this one, when we are going to subtract this algebraic expression, then we change the sign. Here is the positive, then it convert in negative. Here also positive, convert in negative. X square cancel by x square. 5 minus 3, then we get here 2x. Okay, and then plus 6x comes down. Then we bring down the next term plus 6. Now student, the first term of the dividend. The first term of the dividend is 2x, and the first term of divisor is x. X cancel by x, answer is 2. That's mean our next quotient is 2. Our next number is 2 that we have to divide with the given term. So if divide 2x, 2 1 ja 2, 2x, 2 3 ja 6. Now students, we observe when we change the sign, here is minus, here is minus. 2x minus 2x, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. So what answer we get from here? 0. So if we write here quotient is x plus 2 and remainder is 0. Okay students, in this way we have to divide a polynomial with polynomial. I repeat again, first you have to observe the first term of the dividend, that is x square, and it's divided by the first term of divisor. When we divide this one, we get the answer x, and by this number only we are going to multiply, and we are going to write this number to the quotient side. Then after, if we multiply x multiply with x, x square, x multiply with 3, 3x. Now we change the sign, because as we know very well, when we are going to subtract the two algebraic expression, that we have to change the sign to subtract it. So here plus convert in minus and plus minus. So x square cancel by x square and 5x minus 3x. Students, after change the sign, you observe this sign only. Don't take this one. So 5x minus 3x. So 5 minus 3, here the answer is 2x. And then after we bring 6 down, and it's become 2x plus 6. 2x, the first term of this dividend, we take 2x and then divide by x. Okay, x cancel by x, and the answer is 2. So this term again multiply by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2x, and 3 2 ja 6. If we cancel out it, we get the result 0. Now let's take one more example to make more clear it. Okay students? Now I am taking its 8th part. 8th part they have given x cube plus 13x square plus 31x minus 45, and it divide by x square plus 4x. Okay, I'm going to write here, it will take space. Plus 31x minus 45, it divide by x square plus 4x, x square plus 4x minus 5. Okay student, now this time our divisor carrying 3 terms. Okay, so no need to worry, doesn't matter if 3 term or 4 term. So first of all, observe the first term of dividend is x cube and the first term of divisor is x square. Divide the first term by first term. So we get here answer 3 minus 2, 1. So first of all, it multiply by x. So if x cube plus 4x minus 5 multiply by x square is here. So it will get x cube plus 4x square and minus 5x. The product of these two number we get this one. So students, arrange like term below the like term only. X cube, so here x cube. Then after 4x square, below the 13x square, then we have written 4x square. Then minus 5x, it will be below 31x. Okay students. Now change the sign. Minus, minus. This one is minus, so it convert in plus. X cube cancel by x cube. Okay, 13 minus 4, that will be 9x square. 31, this is the plus, and 31 also the plus. 31 plus 5, 36x, and then minus 45 bring down. Okay student. Now then after the divisor first term is 9x square, so we will write here 9x square and it divide by x square. So x square cancel by x square, the answer is 9 from here. So the next term that we are going to multiply is 9. Our next term is 9. So when we multiply with the 9, it will come 9x square, 9 4 ja 36x, 9 5 ja 45. Now we change the sign, this plus, minus, minus and plus. Okay, 9x square minus 9x square cancel. 36 minus 36, 0. Minus 45 plus 45, 0. So from here we get answer 0, remainder is 0. So here students we will write the quotient is x plus 9 and remainder is 0. So in this way we are going to divide a polynomial with polynomial. So the all part of these questions like this only we have to do. Now move on the next question, that is question number 4. Okay. And question number 4, divide the first expression by the second expression and write the quotient and the remainder in each of the following. So let's take the first part is z cube minus 1 divided by z minus 1. So let's start. Z cube minus 1 divided by z minus 1. So students, first of all, if z cube divide by z, okay students, if the z cube divide by z, then what answer we get from here? We get here z square. So here we will write z square. So this will be multiplied by z square. if z minus 1 multiply by z square, then we get, students, z cube minus z square. So z cube is here, so we write the below. But students, z square is not there, so we write a separate one. Okay, the one side, because whenever we are going to add or subtract the algebraic expression, like term will be right below the like term only. If the two terms are not like, then we can't add or subtract them. So I have written this one separately. Now how to solve this one? Here is minus and plus. So cancel out. And we know very well, when we are going to write an algebraic expression for divide, we arrange them in descending order. So first you write here z square, and then this minus 1 comes down. Okay, student? Now then after z, the first term is z square. The first term is z square, and we are going to divide with z. So answer is z only. So the next is plus z. So z multiply with z, z square, and z multiply with 1 minus z. Okay. Same here. This cancel out, and this sign is plus. So we will write first z, and then it's minus 1. Z minus 1, z minus 1. Both are the same. Whenever we are getting the divisor and the dividend, both are same, then we multiply by 1 only. Okay? Because if any number multiply with 1, the answer will remain same. So z multiply with z, the z multiply with 1 is z, and 1 multiply with 1. So now the sign change, minus plus, cancel out, and the remainder is 0. From here we get the quotient is, that is z square plus z plus 1, and remainder is 0. Understood this one, students? Now take one more question to make this concept more clear. That is our third part. Otherwise we can take its fifth part also. Now students, we are taking its fifth part. In fifth part they have given minus 75 x cube, then after plus 67 by 2x square, then plus 18x by 5, and the last is minus 2, divide by 2 minus 5x. Okay, this number they have given to us. So let's first write this one in divide. Minus 75 x cube plus 67 by 2 x square plus 18 by 5 x and minus 2. Now arrange this one in descending order. So minus 5x, then plus 2. Okay. Now the first term of the dividend divide by the first term of divisor. So that is minus 75 x cube divided by minus 5x. Minus cancel by minus 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25. And then x 3 minus 1 x square. So we get from here the result 15x square. So the first term of the quotient is 15x square. 15 5 ja 75 x cube. Okay. Then 15 2 ja 30x square. Okay students. Now this sign positive and this negative. These two terms cancel out. Now students, here we observe 67 by 2 minus 30. So students, directly we can't subtract this one. To subtract this one, we have to take the LCM. So 67 plus, minus 32 ja 60. That's mean we get from here 7 by 2. What we get from here? 7 by 2. So we will write here 7 by 2 x square, then 18 by 5 x bring down. Okay. So if minus 5 by 2, student, we have digit minus 5 by 2. we have digit minus 5x, and we have to divide this one, minus 7 by 2 by divide minus 5. So students, to divide this one, it will become, because 7 by 2 multiply 1 by 5, 7 1 is 7, 5 2 is 10. That means we have to use 7 by 10. Here is x square, here is x. So the term is required plus 7 by 10x. The term is required 7 by 10x. Okay, but here is minus sign and here is plus. So we have to write here minus. Okay, so how to multiply this one? Let's see. Minus 5x multiply by minus 7 by 10. Minus minus plus, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. So 7 by 2 x square. So from here we get 7 by 2 x square. Then after second, 7 by 10 multiply by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10. So from here we get minus 7 by 5x. Minus 7 by 5x. Now the sign change. It cancel out. Numerator and denominator are same. So 18 plus 7. 25. That is 25 by 5. 5 5 ja 25. So from here we get 5x. Then bring minus 2. So only the sign change. Here is minus 5x, here is plus 5x. Here is plus 2, here is minus 2. So we multiply with minus 1. So we get here 5x minus 2. Now sign change. Here is minus, here is plus. Cancel out and we get the result 0. Okay students, for today class this much only, and today we have discussed how to divide a polynomial with polynomial. So in the second question the term are given in the mode of fraction, so no need to worry. One sidebar you have to simplify this one, and whatever the answer you are getting, according to that you multiply this number. Okay students, from here we get the quotient is 15x square minus 7 by 10x and minus 1. This is our answer for this polynomial. For today, this much only. Thank you students.